I'm A1C Jared Stinett. I'm a maintenance scheduler for the 15th AMU. There's so much in our job, it's not even funny. I schedule time change items and special inspections for the 15th AMU aircraft. We work with all the paperwork, all the behind the scenes. We're like a second eye on everything, checking for maintenance. My job is important because certain items, if they come overdue, can actually ground the aircraft. Best part of my job is being at the AMU. You get to see a little bit more, learn a little more about the aircraft. You can pretty much say those are my aircraft I'm scheduling for.